The plank exercise is a versatile and effective workout that targets the core muscles, providing numerous benefits for strength and stability. This guide explores 10 popular variations of the plank exercise and highlights the specific benefits associated with each one. From traditional holds to dynamic movements, these variations engage various muscle groups while strengthening the core. Proper form and technique are essential to maximize results and avoid injury. By incorporating plank variations into your fitness routine, you can enhance core strength, improve stability, balance, and coordination. In this video, I'll tell you what will happen to your body if you plank every day. So, watch the video till the end, it will be interesting. High plank hold. This is the basic plank position where you support your body weight on your hands and toes while keeping your body in a straight line. It primarily targets your abdominal muscles, lower back, and shoulders. Side plank with leg lift. In the side plank position, you lift one leg off the ground while maintaining stability and balance. This variation adds an extra challenge to your core muscles, particularly the obliques and hip stabilizers. Reverse plank. Instead of facing the ground, in the reverse plank, you face upward, supporting your body weight on your hands and heels. It engages your core, glutes, hamstrings, and shoulders. Plank shoulder taps. From the high plank position, you lift one hand off the ground and tap it on the opposite shoulder, alternating sides. This variation challenges your core stability and also works your shoulders and arms. Plank with knee tucks. In this variation, while in the high plank position, you bring one knee towards your chest and then extend it back. This movement engages your lower abs and hip flexors, increasing the intensity of the exercise. Plank with arm raises. From the high plank position, you lift one arm off the ground and extend it forward, maintaining stability. This variation targets your core muscles, as well as your shoulders and upper back. Plank with hip dips. In the high plank position, you slightly rotate your hips to one side and then the other, engaging your oblique muscles. This variation provides a good workout for your core and helps improve rotational stability. Plank with alternating leg raises. From the high plank position, you lift one leg off the ground, alternating between sides. This variation targets your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back while challenging your core stability. Plank with knee to elbow crunches. While in the high plank position, you bring one knee towards the opposite elbow, engaging your obliques and abdominal muscles. This variation adds a dynamic crunching motion to the exercise. Plank with reach-throughs. Starting in the high plank position, you reach one arm under your body and extend it upward on the opposite side, rotating your torso. This variation works your core muscles, particularly the obliques, while improving mobility and flexibility. Incorporating plank exercises and their variations into your fitness routine can lead to a stronger core, improved stability, and enhanced overall fitness. Consistency and proper form are crucial for optimal results and injury prevention. By embracing the challenge and making plank exercises a regular part of your workout, you can enjoy the rewards of a healthier and fitter body. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise program. Keep planking and enjoy the benefits of a strong and resilient core. Thank you for watching and being a part of our YouTube channel. We appreciate your support and hope you enjoyed the content. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Stay tuned and keep exploring with us. See you in the next video.